Hi. Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. Today, I have something exciting that I always look forward to. It's my Ipsy Glam Bag. I haven't gotten the boxycharm yet, but I got the Glambag for the month of January, and so I'm excited to share that. So that's what we're going to do today. And I also have a bag. It's also full of add-ons too, so lots of fun things to share. So let's get to it. Okay, friends, I want to thank you for being here. If you'd like to support my channel, you can do so by hitting the like button, subscribe, leave a comment, do those things that support my channel if you wish, and I appreciate that. Thank you. Okay, so I'm just going to dump everything out. I got a bunch of stuff here. And first I'm going to get to the glam bag that was in here. And this, actually there's something outside the bag too. Okay, so this is very January in my opinion. I love this color, this light blue color. In fact, I kind of want nails this color for January. I just think that color is so pretty. This has just a really pretty, like a rose gold closure on it. Or it's gold, rose gold, anyway, but it's just soft. I really like this bag, actually. Their bags are all kind of good, right? So the first thing I have was outside the bag, but these are, they're called Kamara, and they're Onique Beauty. Kamara Onique Beauty. Haven't heard of that brand. It's a brush set, volume 1. I don't know. I'm not sure what kind of brushes, what I'd use these for exactly, but they're not bad. They have a wooden handle, so they look pretty decent. Like they could be good brushes. Let's get a feel for them here. Go ahead and pull them out. Okay, so here they are. So I like the feel of them. So I think these are, let me look this up. Let me see what these are, how much they're valued at. Yeah, they're valued at $39. Are you kidding me? And that is that's my glam bag. That's my $15 glam bag right here. $39 brushes to start it off with. So that ain't bad. I'm not going to complain. Okay, the second thing I have here is let's see, I'm just going to pull things out as I go here. So this right here is Illuminati. This is a multi-chrome gel eyeliner. Kind of excited about this. I just opened my Lucky Box. I don't know if you've seen that video, but I got kind of a dual chrome pencil in that one. It was kind of a pink. This one right here, I think it's going to be like a green, if I'm not mistaken, which I think I still have that pink on me. I thought I wiped it off good, but it must have staying power. So there it is. It's kind of a green, blue, silver. I don't know. I like it though. I like it. So I'm going to have fun with that. So actually I'm 2 full-size products to start my bag. That's not bad. And then I have in here, right here, this is a Laura Mercier. It's a translucent pure setting spray. So I haven't used this one yet. Okay, it's got... Okay, I guess it's just the bottle. It's not the spray, it's the bottle. It's kind of it has a graduate in it. Anyway, I'm going to just, okay. It's not as fine as I like it. Not as fine, but it looks decent. So there's that. That's my third thing. And then my fourth thing I have in here is from Goldilocks. This is a hair mask, I believe, right here. So, just okay thing. I do use hair masks, but so anyway, there's that. And then the last thing I have in here is, and I didn't even get the card out. Let me, it says a clean slate. So start the new year with a clean slate. I like that. You know what? That's kind of my theme this year, not just in beauty, but I do want to go through all my beauty stuff and kind of clear it all out. But I'm also doing the same with my refrigerator, with my cupboards. I'm going to get rid of a bunch of stuff and start with a clean slate. Maybe try to keep it maintained so I don't collect so much crap. But anyway, so here, that's the box. Anyway, there's the card. And so I'm saving the last. And the last thing I got is a palette, and I believe it was one I chose because I thought the colors were kind of interesting in it. So this is another full size. You guys, I mean, this box is, this bag was definitely valued. Got some money value to it. So let's see here. This is from YC Beauty, YC Collection. And it's kind of got greens and earth tones. If we ever get a chance to open it up and see what's in here. I think it would go really fun with this pencil I got too, maybe. Okay, so there's the palette. Just a small palette, but like I said, the colors are kind of fun. So there we go. So let's see here. Let's see if that goes. I think the liner's a little more blue and this is a little more green. There's right below the blue, there's the green. They have a darker green. They have a lighter green. Anyway, I kind of rub those all in together. That's how I probably wear them. So anyway, so there's the last thing. So in my glam bag, I have the eyeshadow palette, the eyeliner, let's see I'm getting mixed up with all. The setting spray, the eyeshadow brushes, and what was the last thing? 1, 2, 3, 4. The hair mask right here. So anyway, those are my 5 items in my glam bag. Cute glam bag. So happy about that. And so now I've got a bunch of add-ons that I want to share. I kind of went a little add-on crazy here. And so we'll see. Anyway, see what we got. I did buy a 2 or 3 $12 items, and then the other ones are all $3.50. So I'm going to share, I guess I'll share the more expensive ones I got first. The first thing I have here is from Rare Beauty Positive Light Illuminator. So this is a highlighter. Let's see here. It's big. It's a big one. So I think this is valued at $25. I do love Rare Beauty products. So, and I always looking for a good highlighter. And I wanted to get some of her highlighters and I haven't. So this was my opportunity to get it. There it is right here. It's kind of a liquid gold, pinkish gold. I don't know. Right here. I don't know if you can really see it that well. Yeah, there we go, better, but really pretty highlighter. I'm excited about that. So, yay, I own that now, so that's exciting. And the next thing I have here is from Pearlise Beauty, and I'm not sure what I paid for this. I think I might have paid $12 for this one too. This was, I think this was a choice product that I didn't get, or might have been a power pick that I didn't get. So, and I saw it and kind of liked it. So it's, there we go. That's what it looks like. It's got kind of a pretty box. And it is, now this can be lip or cheek. Oh, sorry, that was the wrong thing. It's this one I was talking about that I haven't opened. So, yeah, I'll get back to the other one in a minute. So this is a lip and cheek stain or color, and I really like that. I like the applicator. Okay, it just comes up from here. Let's see. Having a hard time bringing it up. There we go. So it's, I'll put it right under my highlighter here. So that's a really pretty, that's really pretty. I would look great on lips or cheeks, but I'm excited. I'm definitely going to use this too right away. These two products I'll be using. And the thing I just opened that was Sweet Dreams, this cute box here. This is a perfume. And I don't know, I've kind of been getting into perfumes lately, so I got it. But this looks like it's got like a film or shimmer to it. So I'm not sure what that's about. Let me spray it on this hand over here. I don't know if it's really a shimmer or what. Okay, it smells really good when it's rubbed in. It's very clean. It's very fresh and clean. I think I need to wear it right now. Oh. I'll be wearing that for the rest of the day. So anyway, cute box, cute perfume. So kind of excited about that. And then the next things, I think these are all $3.50 items. Let's see, we've got an LMS. This is the Pro Collagen Neck and the Neck Balm, and I love this. I love the, the size is small, like travel or whatever. But anyway, I really like a neck cream. I don't think I've tried this one yet. So I like that. The next thing I have in here is the Real from Benefit Mascara. I love this mascara, and it's great. It's one I like to put in my purse because it's smaller, but it works really good. So this is a purse item for me. So there's that. And also, this Professional from Benefits, like my favorite primer. When they have it for the cheap, I usually go for it. Although this is like, there's hardly anything in there, but they're good enough for travel. So anyway, I like to have, that small one I can take for traveling. So let's see what else we have here. I'm missing a couple of things I got from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I believe I got the Brow Wiz, I love ABH products, and I really like her brow products, and like all her products, but this is the Brow Wiz in taupe, excuse me, and can't get it out. Okay, it's just a small one. It was like a $3.50 item, but anyway, it has just a little brush on the end, and this does blow back down. Let's see how much we got here. That's what we get for $3.50, you guys. That's what we get. Okay, we'll see how many eyebrows fillings I can get out of that. Actually, this is going to go with the, this will go with my Benefits, my purse. Well, that one's purse. This is travel. This and this are going to be travel, like a short trip. Anyway, and then the last thing I have here. Oh, wait, there's more. Okay, I have from Skin and Roma. So what this one is, this is a facial oil. It's just a small one. I like that. And that's another thing I like for travel, just to have a small face oil. So I got some good little things for my next trip here that I want to take. And then the last thing I have here is from Amika, and this is the Hydro Rush Intensive Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. I love this stuff. I love anything Amika. So when I can get a product for $12 or less at full size from Amika, it definitely is worth it to me. The regular full size, or the regular price of this is $29. So anyway, that's what you'd pay for it at Sephora or whatever. So I am happy to have this. So anyway, got lots of fun add-ons. What do you think of my add-ons? I think these are really exciting. These are my more expensive ones are really exciting. And I actually love this perfume. This perfume was lovely. So anyway, that's it. That's that. There's the glam bag right there. And so anyway, I am pretty happy with this little thing here. So I'm looking forward to getting my boxycharm. It does come out of California, and it's saying there was a label created on the 12th, and that was like 6 days ago, and it hasn't even gotten to UPS yet. So we'll see. I think the fires may be delaying some of the mailing and stuff going on. But anyway, thank you guys for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you all in the next one. Okay, friends. Bye-bye.